When your pumps and blowers go down, operations stop, and that's where Carotek steps in. With factory-trained and certified expertise in pump and blower repair, Carotek is your trusted service partner across North and South Carolina, Georgia, Virginia, and Eastern Tennessee. Our state-of-the-art 55,000 square foot fabrication and repair facility features 5, 10, and 25-ton cranes, allowing us to handle any unit, small to large. And we follow all Kaizen best practices for pump repair processes. Whether it's a vertical turbine, split case, ANSI progressing cavity pump, vacuum pump, or a positive displacement blower, our certified technicians restore your equipment to like-new condition. We are the authorized service center for Viking Pump, Wilden, Gardner Denver, Elmo Rietschle, Pulsafeeder, Grundfos, and Griswold. We don't just repair the brands we represent. We repair any manufacturer's equipment. ITT Goulds, Flowserve, KSB, Ibarra, Xylem, Sulzer, Roots, Gorman-Rupp, Pentair, Weir, and more. We've got you covered. And it's not just pumps. Our mechanical seal repair services save you time and money, often cutting costs by up to 50% compared to replacements. Even if you've already bought a new seal, repairing the old one gives you a reliable spare. At Carotek, the repair process is thorough and precise. Ship your equipment to us, or we'll arrange pickup. We break down and evaluate your unit, inspect for damage and wear, provide a detailed assessment and cost estimate within 24 hours to 1 week. And the best part? The evaluation fee is waived if you choose to repair or replace with us. As an extension of Carotek's Charlotte repair facility, we also provide innovative remanufacturing and repair services nationwide, in partnership with our SunSource family of companies. Need spare parts? We offer both OEM and custom-made parts. Plus, our pump site surveys ensure proactive maintenance and minimize downtime with detailed documentation and optimized parts inventory. From repair to reliability maintenance, Carotek keeps your pumps and blowers in top operating condition. Explore carotek.com and let us keep your operations running smoothly.